Good morning to all. So today I am standing before you to discuss the second set of the assignment from the topic of arithmetic progression, covering your 3 marks question. One already I have discussed, and I think 7, 8, 8 questions yesterday I did, and 7 today I am adding. Will solve your purpose within these 15 questions. So first question of today's assignment is the 8th term of an AP is 0. That means A plus 7D, one equation you are getting. Prove that 38th term is triple its 18th term. So use this equation, that is what? 8th term, A plus 7D is equal to 0. Then you can express A in terms of D or D in terms of A. And 38th term is triple its, you have the two options. You write A plus 37D and then get it in terms of A or D, or find the value and then 18th term and check the results. Or A 38 is equal to 3 times A 18, and from there you can substitute the value of A and D. So there are many options to prove this question, but key idea is lying in 8th term, that is A plus 7D is equal to 0. Then your second question is which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 will be 55 more than its 20th term. This is again the question taken from your NCERT. Not same, but based upon your NCERT question. So it was told to you at that time, let the nth term, so an is equal to a20 plus 55, where a is there, d is there, and then use the equation to get the value of n. So answer should be equal to 31. The next two questions 3 and 4, the idea I shared with you to find the nth term of an AP when Sn is given. So at that time it was told that an is always equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So whenever you are using Sn, that is 2n square plus 5n. But then minus Sn minus 1 means you have to replace n by n minus 1. So then it becomes Sn minus 1 because what? 2 into n minus 1 whole square plus 5 into n minus 1, and then solve the equation and check whether the nth term is coming, an is coming equal to 4n plus 3. And same procedure you have to follow here. Sn, okay, 5n square upon 2 plus 3n upon 2. But when you will be subtracting Sn minus 1, so 5 into n minus 1 whole square upon 2 plus 3 into n minus 1 upon 2, or take the LCM and then solve it. And then find the nth term first and then a20th term. So then check whether it is coming equal to 99. Or already I have shared 1 or 2 questions at the time of doing the exercise, when this question was the part of somewhere 11th question in your exercise. So please check those 2 questions and have the clear idea to solve this. That's why I have given you the answers. If you are finding difficulty anywhere, please let me know. Then find the sum of middlemost term of the AP. So here the AP is given to you. Middlemost term is, how will you come to know which one is the middlemost term? For that you need to find the value of n here. How many terms are there? So then suppose if it is 10th term, so middlemost term means your 5th or 6th. 5th or 6th maybe before 5, 4 terms will be there, and after 6, 4 terms again will be there. So sum of 5th or 6th term you have to determine. So similarly you find the n, that is very simple. A is given, D is given, and an is also given. So when an is given, A is given, D is given, you can calculate n. And then check the middlemost term. Suppose there are 20 terms, then you have to write 20, which 2 are the middlemost. So equal terms should be lying to the left of that number and to the right of that number. Those 2 will be the middlemost terms. And then if it is suppose 7th term, so then find A7, and 8th term, then find A8, A7 and A8, and add those 2 and check the answer. 6th question is find the common difference of the AP whose first term is given, and the sum of first 4 terms is half the sum of the next terms. So better where first term A is equal to 5, sum of first 4 terms means S4 easily because A is given. So you can write the equation in terms of A and D. That will be there definitely in terms of D. Is half the sum of the next 4 terms. So better you write them from the next 4 terms point of view. Your first term will be equal to what? A5. A5 will be equal to what? A plus 4D. So your D will remain same, which you are using for the first case for first 4 terms. D will remain, common difference will remain same for the next 4 term also. But here if you are using the first term A, then in second next 4 terms your first term will be equal to the fifth term, that is A5. So there you have to use A is equal to A plus 4D, that is your fifth term I mean to say. And then check the two equation to get the value of the D. And then the last question, sum of the first 6 terms of an AP is 42. So as 6 is given, if its 10th and 30th term are in the ratio, so 10th and 30th term means A10 upon A30, A plus 9D upon A plus 29D is equal to 1 upon 3. And do the cross multiplication. Another equation will be there in the form of A and D, and first equation definitely from here you will be getting in the form of A and D. So from these two equations you can go to their solution simultaneously to find the value of A and D, and then hence you can find the 13th term, that is A plus 12D, and check the answer. So these 7 questions, I think that is sufficient 15 question assignment to cover the 3 marks questions. Tomorrow I will be taking another set from objective questions point of view from the same topic. So please do these. And one query was there, some Aditri was asking whether the questions from the optional exercises will be there. Of course it can be there in the board examinations also, but still now we have not shared, so difficult level it is not that much high because we are not appearing each other physically also. So whatever the assignments and all things we have discussed, but if particular problem you are finding from the optional exercises, let me see, we do have ample time left with us, so that I can share few of the questions from the optional exercises point of view, like the topic of similarity and other topics. Definitely I will come to you with few questions, selected questions of your optional exercises, but optional exercises are now the part of your examinations, especially for those students who will be opting the standard mathematics paper. So that is all about your query. Thank you. Have a nice time.